girl, Kimberlyn XO, and in this quick video, I'm going to show you how I lay my edges. It is wash day. I haven't done my hair in a week, and it is extremely matted. It's finally time for me to do it, so if y'all want to see how to lay your edges down, just keep watching. The first thing that I'm going to do is wet my hair. It's super dry, so I can't get it as sleek as I want it to unless I wet it and then add some gel. So I'm just going to be using some water. And the gel that I'm using is Eco Styler gel. It's really affordable. You can get it from Walmart for like $2. Then I'm gonna brush that down with a soft bristled brush. And now I'm just gonna smooth it all down into a puff. So now that we're done putting our hair up in this really loose ponytail, we're going to begin to lay our edges down. When I do my hair, I have this one toothbrush that I lay my edges with, but I went to my local beauty supply store and seen that Kiss came out with some products, and they have this edge control tool, which was only 99 cents, so I said I might as well get that. So welcome to my channel. For my gel, I'll be using this Kiss edge control gel. So I'm basically going to get that edge control tool and dip it into the gel. Then I like to re-wet my edges a little bit. And now I'm gonna start to gel my edges down. So I just get my gel and then I start to swoop my edges into my ponytail. That is all that I do to lay my edges down. Yeah! It's nothing too extreme. Like, I don't have a lot of hair just laying around my forehead to make extreme swoops and all that stuff. This is just how it grew out of my head. That is all that I have for this video, you guys. If y'all liked it, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Turn on the notification bell on my channel to make sure y'all get all the updates on when I post. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye, y'all.